Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to do skull face edit on CapCut. Here are the steps to create the skull face edit in CapCut. First, open CapCut from your mobile device. Start a new project. Tap New Project and import the video or photo where you want to apply the skull face effect. Then hit Add. Highlight your clip by tapping on it. Split the clip. Scroll through your video and tap Split to isolate the part where you want the skull face to appear. Move the playhead from the start of the clip where you want to put the skull face. Unhighlight the clip. Add overlay. Tap overlay, then add overlay. And choose a skull image, preferably PNG with a transparent background. You can find one online and save it to your phone. Resize and position skull. Pinch and drag the skull image to fit over your face. Adjust the size and position so it aligns well. Use keyframes for tracking. Tap the overlay and add keyframes by tapping the keyframe icon. Then adjust the skull's location or size to follow the movement of your head as it moves. Adjust opacity. Lower the opacity slightly to make it blend with your skin or keep it solid for a bold look. Then move the playhead from the start again. Add animation. Tap the overlay. Go to Animations, In, and select an animation like Fade In for effect. Then move the playhead again from the start. Apply effects. Tap Effects. Choose from Body Effects or Video Effects like Glitch, Dark, or Smoke to enhance the vibe. So I'll choose Smoke. Hit the check mark to confirm. Add sound. Tap Audio. Add a creepy or dramatic sound to match the skull theme by tapping Sounds and searching on creepy background music. Then tap on Download and hit the plus button. Preview your edit. Play back the video to ensure the skull tracks correctly and looks smooth. Export your video. Tap the Export button in the top right corner and save your skull face edit in your preferred resolution. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.